Ever want to grow fresh veggies and flowers but space is limited? A raised garden bed is a perfect solution. Here's how to make one. First, pick a spot for your bed. Keep in mind vegetable plants will need plenty of sun. Next, build the bed frame. It can be as simple as regular 2x4s on top of the ground, or even patio retaining wall blocks. The size is up to you. At least 6 inches high provides ease of access and will give roots plenty of room to grow. To build with lumber, measure and mark the length of the walls and cut the boards. You can use 2x4s for the corner posts. Measure and cut them. Then set the posts on the wall boards, drill pilot holes, and attach with screws. Do the same for both sides. Posts in the middle of the walls add strength. Attach all the pieces to form a box. And the frame is finished. Now you can prep your location. Place the frame in position and outline it with a shovel. Then set the frame aside to remove the grass. Loosening the dirt is helpful too. Before you set the bed in place, attach wide mesh hardware cloth to the bottom. Weeds will stay out, but earthworms can still get in to enrich the soil. Also, if the wood isn't rot resistant, staple heavy-duty plastic along the inside before adding the soil. Using a mix of nutrient-rich soil and compost will yield a fruitful garden. When you're planting your flowers or veggies, keep the soil loose around the plants to allow water to reach the roots. The best time to water is morning, when less water will evaporate in the sun. Check the plant tags for additional recommendations. Here's a tip. A timer on a soaker hose can make a simple task like watering even easier. Consider adding a mesh cover to keep birds and rabbits away, or a trellis for vines. As you can see, it doesn't take much to build a raised garden bed. Want more great ideas and how-tos? Go to Lowe's.com/how-to.